I just wanted to show something that craft fair vendors might be interested in. I really needed an awning for my 10 by 10 canopy and came across this. When I saw the dimensions, I figured this might just work. And it did, with just a few alterations. This is the 118-inch version. The awning support poles are easily zip-tied to the canopy legs. I mounted the awning tarp roll-up assembly just inside the tent side walls. If it rains it should run off and not drip inside. The roll mechanism works smoothly and the sidearms are adjustable to create the desired length and angle. I did not use the pole feet provided and I still need to shorten the poles by another 1/2 inch or so to avoid rubbing on the center cross strut. But that's easy. So let's take it apart now. I installed a bolt on the canopy foot which the awning pole just slips over and is held there in place. Same on this side. I need to flip the tarp so that the seam is in the correct position, so it's a good time to show how the tarp cover is installed. Quite ingenious, I think. These screws are way undersized. And they have already stripped out. So I replaced them with number 10 by 1/2 inch panheads. Much better. at both ends. Alright, let's try to pack it up. Let's try a 4-inch by 10 feet PVC pipe. One end cap, and one clean-out fitting. I partially disassembled the poles, hoping that I can get them all inside. So while I'm fooling with this, here's the review that I submitted to Amazon. I was looking for an awning to add to my 10 by 10 craft fair canopy tent when I came across this one. The dimensions appeared to fit my tent perfectly, so I took a chance. It arrived in good order with no missing parts. I was able to assemble it with no major difficulty, even though it has only rudimentary and typical Chinese converted to English instructions. I suggest going by the pictures provided and ignore the text. If you are reasonably adept mechanically, you will have no problem. A second person may be helpful for just a few parts of the assembly. This Jekito awning is typical of manufacturers that, even though produce a functioning product, could benefit from less scrimping on parts and produce an even better one. A few of the critical parts no doubt would be more durable if made from cast zinc alloy instead of polymer plastics. There were a set of screws on the tarp spindle that were ridiculously undersized, which I immediately replaced. Now, that being said, the fact that this awning so perfectly made it to my canopy tent with just a few modifications, for now, overcomes those manufacturing shortcomings. I am withholding judgment on any durability issues such as stamina to wind and multiple setup and disassemblies that this awning will be put through in the near future. I will say that I am impressed with the engineering of the tarp attachment to the spindle. It looks to hold up nicely and was unexpectedly easy to put on. The tarp itself looks and feels of high quality material. I'm giving this Jekito awning 5 stars for now. Mostly because it so perfectly fit my need as much needed accessory for my craft fair canopy tent. No way. I'll have to work on this a bit. Anyway, I hope this helps if you decide to go this route. We will see how well this works out after a couple of shows. I have 3 brackets on order to secure the pipe to the roof rack. All I need now is to figure out what to do with the winding handle.